Hello friends, welcome to Solid Edge Sheet Metals tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn Solid Edge Sheet Metal each command. Now we can see here, this is not activated. For that, we need to create sketch first. So click on sketch, select plane or face, take rectangle by center. Or you can add text as well. So click on tools, take this text profile. Here, enter here text. And height or size, I will enter 15. Place this text, home, close sketch, and finish, cancel. Now we can see this each command is activated. Now click on this and select here option from sketch. So this is our sketch we have selected, and click on this each options. Select color from this. I will select this red and line width, for example 5, and we can see select line type as well. So we will keep this continuous and click OK. Okay. Now we can see this text and this sketch is each on this tab. So I will hide this sketch and we can see this. This is each command. Hope have you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe channel for more updated videos. Thank you.